He never wants to come out on video. Everybody's asking, why doesn't your son come out more? Uh-oh, we got the wrong steps. Didn't you tell him to order for a Defender 2-door? Oh, you sent him the VIN and he sent this? Wow. Unfortunately, we didn't get to get it before of this car because Speedy Gonzalez and Speedy Gonzalez number 2 and Speedy Gonzalez number 3 decided to take it apart without videotaping it. Hello? Bro, they ordered yesterday with the VIN number for a Defender 2-door steps, and they sent steps for deployable. This time, I have a problem because I gotta get these steps already. I'll send you a picture of what they sent me. Bye. Back to this car. Defender 90, the 2-door. I actually really like this car. I think it's cool. They obviously started fast. We're prepping all the bottom plastics on it to color match it to the car. Actually, no, we're doing it gloss black because this car is getting wrapped in a special green color. The roof came white. We're gonna paint it black. All the front bumpers, rear bumpers are silver. You still have a chance to videotape at least all that stuff. We're gonna put a set of urban wheels. I guess a Forza wasn't in the budget. You might ask yourself this question: why would somebody buy a black car, which they want green, with a white roof that you're gonna have to paint black? Because it's very rare, it's a hard car to get. Black is actually the best color for wraps. You see in between the doors, even when you open the doors. When you have a high, like let's say a white car, blue car, red car, and you wrap it a different color outside, then you end up having to wrap the inside because when you open the door, you see that color. At least you get to get the process of the bumpers, the plastics. So as usual, somebody has to forget something. If not, it's not a good video. A car I said we're gonna film because it has a lot of changes. One, forgot to film wrapping this car. So I'm gonna have to show you that this is the paper that we used. This customer wanted a custom green. Oh, we got him doing one part. You wanna get a close-up? Make sure we get this, since we don't have him wrapping it because he forgot. It's looking really good. Look at this guy, all he does is laugh. Orebi, ¿se te olvidó decirle para firmar el carro? Que lo hice el wrap y no lo firmó.
No, él sabía que tenía que firmar.
Oh, él lo sabía.
No, Flaco, aún no sé.
Oh, ok. Flaco, ven acá. Let's figure it out. ¿Tú no sabías que había que firmar el carro este para el wrap? ¿Sí? Oh, and he says it like nothing. Yeah. ¿Y por qué no lo firmaron mientras que lo rapearon? Ah, ¿sí lo firmaron? William, why are you looking for trouble?
What?
He says that they did film it.
They did.
Why are you looking for trouble, William? Papi, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Is that why he was laughing? I'm so sorry. You did film it?
Yeah.
William, why, bro? Why do you like to look for trouble?
My bad.
Just play the video of him rapping it. Just play it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that like button and click that notification so you get notified every time we put up a new video. And again, thank you for watching.